Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MD Said Rahman from Manchester, England. Today I will discuss about the crossroad and junction during driving. In my last video, I have discussed about the roundabout regarding how to drive in the roundabout, some basic rules and regulations about the roundabout. If you will like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Enjoy your watching. Thank you. Now we will discuss about a sample crossroad. This is a sample crossroad. If you will come and enter from the left hand lane of a crossroad, and in that picture, if your vehicle is exactly on that point, so you are entering a crossroad and in your lane the arrow marking indicates that it is only left. So you can go only left hand side by approaching the crossroad. You cannot go the right hand side by using this lane because it is only left. So in this case, you don't need to consider other oncoming vehicle from that point or that point. Either they are turning right or left, because in this lane it is your priority to turn left. If you want to turn right by approaching like this crossroad, first of all you need to go to the right hand lane from the left hand lane like this curve before approaching the crossroad. So after going to the right hand lane, so first of all you need to consider the oncoming vehicle from the other side of these two lanes that are coming, because in that case you should always give to them prioritize because it is their priority. So first of all, if you will turn right from this side, then gently go ahead from this way, and if any oncoming vehicle will come from the opposite side, then just wait here by keeping your indicator turning right. If the oncoming vehicle will come from that lane, then you always give them priority to go. If the oncoming vehicle turning from that lane and they will turn left from their side, on that side, it is also their priority. So you should also wait on that point before they go. So after going them, if the oncoming vehicle and oncoming path is clear, then you can go from that right and that point. That is the basic rule of passing any crossroad. Now we will discuss about one type of crossing which is called near side by near side crossing. If you want to turn right and your vehicle is just at this point, and from the other side another vehicle also will need to turn right and the vehicle will be on that point, then they will be gonna turning right from this side and you will need to turn right from this way. In this case, no one have a priority. So you both will have to need mutual understanding before going. This is called near side to near side crossing. So in this case, you don't need to be alert about the priority, but you should always be careful. If the oncoming vehicle will come fast, then you will need to wait and allow him to pass. If the oncoming vehicle will come slower little bit, then if you think it will be safe for you to go turning right, then you can go safely. This is called near side to near side crossing. Sometimes we become confused about the signal. So while we will pass any road approaching a crossroad, either it is we will have to turn left or we will have to turn right. If the signal will green, it means we can go. And if the signal will become amber, it also means that we can go. So if we will pass beyond this point, if we will pass during turning right beyond this point, and after passing this point, if the signal will become red, so we don't need to consider the signal. Still, we will allow to turn right and to go. And during turning right from the opposite side, if the oncoming opposite side the signal will be green, it means oncoming vehicle are coming. So we should be careful about oncoming vehicle to allow them go. If the opposite side the signal will be red, that means the oncoming vehicle will stop. We still need to be careful about oncoming vehicle. During passing right, just look around about the oncoming vehicle. If it is red, no oncoming vehicle is coming, then safely just turning right. Now I will discuss about the hesitation that are generally created during the practical test. So for example, if you are gonna be turning right and your vehicle is just there, so you should turn your indicator right, then go to turning right. And for example, you are turning right and you are just here on that point, just the middle. And if no oncoming vehicle will come, and if you just stop by creating hesitation inside yourself, that means you are disturbing the vehicle that are behind you, and there will be a possibility for accident also. This is called hesitation, and because of this you will fail in your practical test. On the other hand, sometimes if you're gonna be turning right and if your vehicle speed is too fast, and if you will not consider the oncoming vehicle, for example, if oncoming vehicle will come from the other side and you are turning right and going too fast, not considering the oncoming vehicle, and you have already turned right from that way by disturbing the oncoming vehicle, this is called dangerous driving. Because of this dangerous driving, you will also fail in your practical test. So these two important things you will need to always keep in your mind during passing any crossroad. I have discussed about the driving license process and about buying a car in UK in my previous video, so you can find those video in my channel. So if you will like those videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.